Digital marketing, it's way less scary than a clown holding a chainsaw. So, you want to learn about digital marketing, huh? That's great. It's way more fun than a barrel of monkeys, and way less scary than, say, a clown holding a chainsaw. Imagine trying to sell stuff before the internet. You'd be stuck with like putting flyers on cars with pigeons on them, hoping the pigeons don't fly away before someone sees your amazing offer on, I don't know, discount socks. Thank goodness for the World Wide Web, am I right? Digital marketing is just finding customers online. It's like fishing, but instead of worms, you use funny memes and catchy slogans. And instead of a smelly old lake, you're fishing in the vast ocean of the internet, where everyone's hanging out these days. Think of it this way, it's like throwing a giant pizza party online and inviting everyone. Who doesn't love pizza? And free stuff? Now let's talk about some key concepts. Don't worry, I promise to make it more fun than watching a cat video compilation. First up, SEO or search engine optimization. It's basically like telling Google, hey, my website is super cool and relevant, put it at the top of the search results. It's a little more complicated than that, but you get the idea. Next, we have social media marketing. This one's pretty self-explanatory. It's like hanging out with your friends online, but instead of talking about your cat Gerald, you're subtly promoting your awesome new product. Subtlety is key here, folks. Email marketing is like that friend who sends you hilarious chain emails, except instead of jokes, it's about the latest deals and updates from your favorite brands. And finally, we have content marketing, which is just a fancy way of saying creating awesome content that people actually want to read, watch, or listen to. Think viral videos, funny memes, that sort of thing. Remember that Old Spice commercial with the guy on a horse? Pure gold! Or the time when everyone was dumping buckets of ice water on their heads for the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge? That's the power of a successful digital marketing campaign, my friends. It's about creating something shareable, memorable, and maybe even a little bit ridiculous. Remember, a good digital marketing campaign doesn't just sell a product, it tells a story. It connects with people on an emotional level and makes them want to be a part of something bigger than themselves. So, you're probably thinking, Jimmy, this all sounds great, but where do I even begin? Well, fear not, my friend, because the world of digital marketing is your oyster. You've got more options than a Waffle House menu at 3 a.m. You can build a website, create social media profiles, send out email newsletters. The possibilities are endless. The most important thing is to experiment and find what works best for you. And hey, if you happen to stumble upon the next big viral sensation, don't forget to give your old pal Jimmy a shout out. Happy marketing!